I was unemployed and really needed the income. I had won a couple of grants. I knew that this was something I could do. I did not know I wanted to do what I'm doing and grow a larger business when I started with the collective. I didn't really even consider it as a possibility. I had been trying to figure out the business model, and Meredith has the business model figured out. I had been a solopreneur in the past. And once I started listening to them, taking the training, listening to entrepreneurial training, and figured out, oh, I could hire someone to do that thing I don't like to do. It has led me to developing a larger business where I've got 6 employees, and I'm able to all of a sudden have all these new challenges of now I get to develop my leadership skills. Now I get to develop mentorship skills. Now I get to develop a corporate culture, as well as bringing funding to small cities, which is my corporate mission. It has opened up a lot of doors, and it's been like a pretty satisfactory career path. Grant writing is like 30% writing, and the rest of it is making sure the project is good, making sure you have a good story, making sure you've got data to back your story up, making sure that there's a great fit between the project and the funding, make sure that your client is on board and provides you all the information, all of the nuggets you need to provide a compelling story to the funder, and having a good understanding of what the funder wants to do with their money. But the other thing I always have to explain to my clients is grants are not a bag of cash. Grants are funding for a specific project that then has to be used in the way you applied for and then reported on. It's not just easy money, but it can help you go much further with your resources than if you didn't have that investment from the funder. It's not just writing a grant. You have to be able to tell the story, and you have to understand the story the funder's wanting to hear. It's also to audience. It's like marketing. You're sending a specific message to your audience that resonates with them to get them to fund you. I'm always finding something new I need to learn. And is it pretty much continually scary? As it is. But it's fun, and it's been, really fulfilling and rewarding to learn how to do that stuff, and to learn how to develop systems and what happens if they're not there, and what happens when they break. And then again, developing the people, having a team of my own making is really cool. It's a really nice thing to also not have to be the one with all the answers. The challenges of running a little larger business, it's much different than the challenges of just being a solopreneur grant writer. It's fun. And it's something that I hadn't even considered, most of them. So, the business development piece of it, all of a sudden you figure out your margins and your profitability, and you're working more so on the business than in the business. So you really are looking at your SWOT, and you're really looking at, okay, so I see that there are these challenges coming up in the marketplace. How does my business respond to them? You're able to spend a little more time doing that because you're not in the weeds writing a grant right now. 1000% do it again. I wouldn't have my business without them, and I am immensely proud of what I'm building and the results that I've gotten for my communities that I serve. I love seeing my staff develop. I have 2 grant writers I hired last year, watching them turn into really confident grant writers, confident account managers. And when, one grant writer, her first grant, she won $1 million. The other grant writer, her first grant, she won $330,000. They're very, very good at their jobs. And I had a piece in that. And that's really cool. Sit down and think about what you want your life to look like in a year. Think about how you might accomplish that. The cost for the collective is not necessarily insubstantial, but how much does a master's degree cost? How much does a bachelor's degree cost? And is it worth it to invest in yourself? That's what I would consider. The collective does provide a viable way to make a living on your terms. You follow the steps and you can make the money you want. And one of the things that Learn Grant Writing gave me is not really the ability to dream, but the idea that this could happen and here's a path to how you do it. It's been a whole different type of fulfillment. Being able to do that, being able to do a little bit of advocacy in the areas that I'm passionate about at a governmental level, that kind of thing. That's also made possible by the fact that I've got a larger business and I do not have to be making the sausage all the time. I can have a little higher level view, and I really enjoy that. Thank you to the Learn Grant Writing team for my business. I wouldn't have it without you.